Thirdly, they call for the unity of religions. Have you heard that one before? We're all the same. Al-Qaradawi, again, I'm only quoting him because he said these statements. Not trying to start any kind of fitna, but just so you will know from whom to take knowledge. Because the issue of taking knowledge is a very serious issue for us. And everyone's affairs with Allah Azza wa Jal. But if someone made a mistake, we clarify that mistake. These are mistakes he made. His niyyah is between him and Allah. His judgment is between him and Allah in this sense. But we have to say what it is true. He said, Christians, we are believers and they are believers. Just differently. Huh? Yani we are mu'minun. We are mu'minun and they are mu'minun. But we have different kind of iman. This applies to Iblis. Doesn't it? Now we are believers and he is a believer in taghut and believer in things, and he is a believer in good and bad in fact. He believes in Allah. So much so that Allah said that Iblis said after he misleads us, Inni akhafullah, I am afraid of Allah. After he misleads us, he claims that he fears Allah Azza wa Jalla. So what does this statement mean? No, the idea is we are all one and the same. It just so happens that you were born a Muslim, they were born Jews, and they were born Christians, and everybody's going to go to Jannah together. Jannah will have segments, a section for the Christians, another one for the Jews, another one for the Muslims. And sure enough, this leads to Hindus being included, and Buddhists, and everybody gets in. Yeah, because they almost own Jannah. They are going to decide who will enter, who not. As if they never read, if someone says, Wallahi akhi, they're uneducated and they didn't read, لَقَدْ كَفَرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ ثَالِثُ ثَلَاثَةٍ, or لَقَدْ كَفَرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ عِيسَى ibn Maryam. They haven't read these ayat. Have they not read, ya akhi, Surah al-Bayyinah? Has any Muslim missed out on Surah al-Bayyinah? If you have Juzu Amma memorized. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية. يا شيخ, I don't understand how more explicit than this. Those who disbelieve among the Jews and the Christians, the people of the scripture, and the mushrikeen, they will be in the hellfire eternally. These are the worst of creation. So you make the worst of creation like the Muslimin? أفنجعل المسلمين كالمجرمين ما لكم كيف تحكمون? Do you make the Muslims like the criminals? What is the matter with you? How do you judge? If you're going to make the ones whom Allah said about أولئك شرهم شر البرية, and the ones whom Allah said أولئك كالأنعام بل هم أضل, they are like the cattle but they are more astray. If you're going to equate them with the Muslims, this is a big crime in the deen of Allah. But they tell you, yalla, everybody is the same. طيب, ماشي. We will let this one slide, or no, we will not let it slide.